Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make an assembly gun which is necessary in the household. To make it, I will need a piece of pipe, 2 bottles, and 2 pieces of thick metal wire. I fix the wire in a vise. Use a hand saw to make a small incision in the metal and break off the excess. Now I clamp 2 pieces of wire in a vise and wrap one around the other. Here's what I got. I try on the workpiece to the pipe. And using a handsaw, I cut off the excess. I process the edges of the wire on the grinding machine. I mark a distance on the pipe that is longer than the length of the wire, clamp the pipe in a vise and use a saw to cut off the mark. I polish the pipe cut. Measure the diameter of the pipe. I make marks on the neck of the bottle and drill a hole on both sides. using a rasp and increase the holes to the diameter of the pipe. I mark on the pipe a place for another hole. Clamp the pipe in a vise and use a saw and grinder to cut a hole. I connect two blanks together. Using a knife, I cut off the bottom of the bottle. I fix the parts of the invention with the glue. I clamp the invention in a vise and form a thread at the end of the tube. At the end of the tube, fix a screw nut of the appropriate size. Now I take the lead from the plastic bottle and drill a hole in it. I need a tip from any mounting mix to secure it with the nut. This is the invention I made. I fix the wire and the drill and demonstrate the work of this invention. I fill the bottle with the cement. I turn on the drill and cover up the cracks in the wall. If you're interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.